Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to talk a little bit about your breather tube, which comes out the bottom of your cowling on most of the aircraft, and the breather tube grommet, which protects your lower cowling from being beat up by the aluminum of the breather tube sticking out. Now, the breather tubes are not complicated. It's really nothing more than a 3/4 inch piece of aluminum. And it's got a notch and then a collapsed part right here, which we call this the whistle stop. And this sticks outside of the cowling. This sticks inside the cowling, allows the breather line to stick out the bottom of the cowling, and this prevents any ice forming up should the outside freeze over from the moisture. Then it still allows your crankcase to ventilate so you don't blow out your front nose seal. But then also with that, in the bottom of the cowling, to protect it, we have the grommet. We ordered a bunch of these, and now we're going to go ahead and install one. Now the grommet just slides on. You might want to put a little moisture on the inside of the grommet just to help it slide, but once it's there, you usually install this in the lower cowling and then slide the breather tube with the whistle stop through it. But that's how it all assembles, so not a big mystery to it. And Yankee Aviation does have the breather grommets. We do have the cowl latch pen grommets. We've got bags of grommets. If you need stuff, we've got it. So give Yankee Aviation a call. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.